Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this one we are looking at Ideanomics stock again because it looks like we might be seeing the sell-off on Ideanomics stock starting to end. I think that is a great thing to see. So tonight I'm going to be giving you my perspective on Ideanomics, looking at what we know now. So of course, if that sounds like a good plan for a video, please do show it by leaving a like and subscribing. Honestly, every single like matters, every single subscriber matters. I appreciate everything that you guys have done so far. Let's just push up to 2,000 now and see how we go from there. Right, let's move straight into the video. So if we do have a quick look at how Ideanomics has been going over the past few days, we can see that it looks like it starts to look like it's flattening out. Now, I do think that Ideanomics is a good buy for reasons which I'm about to explain in a moment. I don't think that now is a bad price point at all. I actually think it's a very good price point to buy Ideanomics stock. So we're going to be having a look out to the 6-month period so that we can see how steep the growth on this company is. So if we do have a look back to November, Ideanomics stock was very cheap. It was worth only 82 cents. And then, of course, it did see that huge rocket up, and that took us up about 224%. Now, of course, that is quite significant indeed for a stock. And I think with the price of Ideanomics being so low, a lot of people did get in on that and expect the growth to continue, and unfortunately that was not the case, and I think a lot of people did sell off for that reason. Now, of course, with Ideanomics stock, I don't view it like any of the other stocks, or at least a lot of the other stocks. I think what they do right now is not very popular in demand, and I do not think that is a bad thing at all. My personal view on this one is that what they do will grow in the next 10 years, if not longer, because obviously as electric vehicles do become more popular, what this company will do will become more prevalent and more used in the future, and for that reason I see Ideanomics as a decent buy. I think now is not a bad time to buy it, and of course I am not a financial advisor, but this is my opinion. I think it's still very cheap for what it is, and I would definitely buy some of this one in my personal opinion. Now, what I would say regarding this one is I would definitely consider it one of those companies which you're not buying for profit now. If you're buying this one, I see it as profit in the next 10 years, profit in the next 20 years. You know, if you're planning to hold for a very long time, or at least for the next 5 years, if you're planning to hold, I could definitely see this one being a very valuable company. But at the minute, I do not see it as being a short-term, huge growth company. Now, don't get me wrong, it could probably shoot to $3 soon, and you know, not right now, of course, don't get my words incorrect, but you know, in the next few months or years, it could probably shoot to $3 potentially, but I don't think that is where we are going with this stock. I think we are going much higher if we could just wait out a bit longer. So yeah, that's my personal perspective. I don't see it as being overpriced now. I see it as being at a very decent price, and I would definitely consider buying it for the long term. So I hope that you did enjoy my view. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.